Hi everyone! Today we will show you how to upload photos using our Link app. First, you can either download the app on your phone or go to link.entourageyearbooks.com. Once you are on the site, select Upload Photos on the main menu. This will bring you to a search bar where you can find your school, which should appear in the drop-down menu as you enter the name. Select the school, which will take you to the main page for the school's photos. You will see an option to create your photo category, which you can also move under a parent category. You may add a description to your photo, but this is optional. To upload your images, click the Browse button to select the photos you want to import. Once your images have been uploaded, you may add a caption, for example, the student's name, and click Update Photo Information to save it. Continue this process as many times as needed. If you need to contact us, click the Contact tab at the top of the menu, which provides our tech support line and email. Thank you for watching and choosing Entourage as your yearbook provider.